Teaching with a future. In the world of automation for the industry of tomorrow. Siemens SCE brings industry into your lecture hall or your classroom and helps you design your lecture or exercise and your lessons in a practical way. With our learning modules, TIA Basic Course Factory Automation with CIMIT, TIA Basic Course Factory Automation with CIMIT with NX MCD, Advanced Course Digital Twin, Practice-Oriented, Versatile in Use, Interactive. This is what your lecture hall or your classroom of tomorrow could look like. Teaching with a future.